Hello all, welcome back students. So in the previous videos of this chapter, we saw what is a tuple, how to create a tuple, how to access tuple, what are nested tuples, how we can traverse through elements of a tuple. From this video onwards, we will be seeing certain operations that can be performed on a tuple. Okay. Although if you see the name of the operations, you will be quite comfortable with them because all these operations had been performed by you in the list chapter. Okay, and that is the only reason I told you that if you understand list, other data types would be pretty simple for you to understand. Okay, in this video, we will have a discussion over the first two types of operations on tuple, that is slicing and concatenation. Fine. Now, if you have forgotten about the slicing, the syntax is same as it was in list. Okay. Tuple name here, if we go for slicing of tuple, we will have tuple name, starting value. Okay, we will have ending value plus one, and if required, we would be having the step. And that was probably the same thing that we used in list, but in case of list, instead of it is quite obvious, instead of specifying the tuple name, we would specify the list name, and almost everything works the same. Correct. And as you understand that step can go positive and negative, step we can jump certain steps also, and I think some programs were given to you in the basis of list chapter where we exercise the, you can say, need of slicing. The same thing will be there for tuple. Let us see some issues, or let us see some programs, or let us see some small example codes by which we can exercise this practice. Let us create a bigger tuple: 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, let us say 73, and we will end at 75. Done. So we have a tuple here. Now let us practice general slicing now. General slicing. Suppose I want to print 67 to 69. General practice 67 to 69. So as per the syntax, starting value, ending value plus 1. So I think I will write tuple name, starting value. I want to start at 67. So obviously I will start with 0. Starting value, ending value plus 1. So 0, 1, 2. I want to print up to second index, but as per the rule, I have to specify ending value plus 1, and I do not want any jumps in between. So technically my step will be 1, and as you know, even if we do not write the step as 1, it would be understandable. Okay, because normally we are not specifying step 1. We only specify steps when we want some jumps or when we want reverse printing. Okay. Let us try something else. I want to print 67, 69, 71, 73 and 75. Correct. So I will start definitely with 0. Let us see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the ending value which I want to print plus 1. So technically it will be 9. And because I want to jump one elements, my step will be 2 in this case. That is what I hope so. Okay, so as you can see, 67, 69, 71, 73 and 75. Correct? Nothing difficult. Now suppose I want the reverse case. I want 68, 70, 72 and 74. So here my indexing will start with 68. So my first value will be 1. Okay, from 1, let us see how much I want to print. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus 1, I want to print 9. Okay, I want to print 9, and let us see if it is works. And guess you can see 68, 70, 72, 74, and that's it. Correct? Just a minor revision. Let us say I want to print 67, 70 and 73. 67, 70 and 73. So let us say starting value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So starting value is 0 and ending value is 6 plus 1, 7. I want a difference of 3, and I think my job is satisfied. 67, 70 and 73. As simple as that. Let us have some practice of you can say negative indexing also, negative slicing also. Let us say I want to print 75 73 and 71. 75, 73 and 71. Let us see. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -1. That means -6. -1, 2 minus 6, and I'm jumping 1 places. That means technically I'm jumping 2 places. So step will be -2. I hope I am not wrong. 75, 73 and 71. Correct, students? Okay. Now let us see. This was a normal slicing that we can do. Let us see one more variant of slicing. Let us say. Uh, Obviously we have done these things in the list chapter, but just one small chunk of code I would like to see. Suppose I have one more tuple, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now my target is something like that. Suppose I want to print 68, 71, then 74, then let us say 5 3 1. This is my target. Okay, 5 3 1 and something like that. So first of all I will take variables, let us say k, and I will try to sum up this much portion. Fine. So 68 to 72. So suppose I want my tuple to start t 0 1. I will start with 1. Let us see what is 68 to 74. Sorry. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus 1 8. Okay, and I think after 68 they are printing 72. So I think 72. Then sorry, I think I had done a bluff here. 68, then I think I should have 71, not 72. Okay, otherwise it will not work. Fine. So I suppose there will be a difference of C. I suppose, if I am not wrong. If I am wrong, I will just amend my code. 68, 71, 74 is obtained. So one or half part of the job is done. I will take one more variable, let us say P, and I would try to take up the fetch of the things 5, 3 and 1. 5 means -1. I will start with -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -1, -7. Okay. So So -2, -7, and I think I am taking a difference of 2, I think. Okay, I will just verify my result by printing the variable. I am getting 531, and once I am satisfied, simply I will put k plus p, and that would serve my purpose perfectly. Okay, fine. So that was about the first operation on tuple, that is slicing. Okay, already we have done lots of practice for slicing. In the coming weeks assignment we will be given more programs based on that. Okay, now second one, I think there is nothing much to discuss from my side, and already we have practiced that. Already we have practiced this concatenation whenever tuples are required to be joined. That phenomena, or not phenomena, that practice in computer science is called concatenation of any data type. Okay, so let us simply have an example. 1 2 3 4 5 6, let us say 7, and let us take one more example, that k. We have M, we have N, we have O, and we have P. Okay, and I want to join both the tuples and print them together. So T plus K, and that would be enough. Correct? And need not be spoken to you. We can reverse the sequences also. As per our will. So that can be concatenation of the tuple. Okay, remember one point, this is temporary. There was a method in list chapter which is not there here, and I think someone asked me what is the difference. Extend will make permanent changes to the list. Okay, just adding them will not make any permanent changes. Permanent changes means, still if I print still if I print k, and still if I print t, they will be printed originally. There will be no difference in that. As you can see, even after concatenation there is no difference in that. So just concatenation, I just want to speak up, it is a temporary change, not a permanent change like the extend method in the list. Okay students, so I think this would be enough for the first two operations on tuple. Fine. Already we know that things are known to us from the list chapter, so it won't be that much of a difficult task from this chapter's point of view. Fine. So that would be all from my side for this video. We will meet in the next video and complete up the last two topics of the tuple operation content. Thank you and have a nice day.